In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DigitalOcean account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the sign up option that suits you best, all without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to the official DigitalOcean website. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the real site by checking the address bar for the correct domain and a secure connection. Starting on the right page avoids hiccups later and keeps your information safe. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. This takes you to the registration screen where you'll begin the account creation process. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to load or ensure you're not already signed in from a previous session. Before choosing a sign-up method, you'll see a note about agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Go ahead and click to acknowledge that you've read and agree. It's always a good idea to skim these documents so you understand how your data is used and what the platform expects from users. This step is simply confirming consent so you can proceed with creating your account. Now, you'll see multiple ways to sign up. If you prefer the convenience of using an existing account, click Sign Up with Google. This option connects your new DigitalOcean account to your Google identity, which can simplify login and reduce the number of passwords you manage. It's quick, familiar, and ideal if you already rely on Google across your workflow. Alternatively, you can click Sign Up with GitHub. This is especially handy for developers who already use GitHub for code hosting and collaboration. Linking through GitHub keeps things streamlined within your development ecosystem, and it's a great choice if your projects are already tied to that platform. If you'd rather keep your accounts separate or don't use those services, click Sign Up with Email. This option gives you a straightforward platform-agnostic login. You'll follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Keep your credentials secure and store them somewhere safe so future sign-ins are hassle-free. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to reach the site, where to start the registration, how to acknowledge the policies, and how to choose between Google, GitHub, or email to create your DigitalOcean account. Take your time selecting the method that fits your workflow, and once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the platform's features and start building with confidence.